First of all, open PixArt, create photo, choose green background, type here the text, simple, save the image. Next, open the Motion Ninja app, create a new project and import the video footage and image. Click the image layer, create overlay. Edit, select the chroma and remove the green background. Click the video footage layer and edit, select the tracking. Start the tracking. Select the area. Import the 3D object. Adjust the text. So enjoy the final reveal.